Hey y'all, we're fixing to have some fun with some French bread. It's gonna be good. Cheesy French bread. We call it garlic bread. You can use garlic on it, whatever. Make some for us, make some for the kids. We're gonna put it in the Blackstone pizza oven, and it's gonna be great. All right, are y'all ready to cut this bread up? I'm gonna get it over here. Watch this, y'all. Ooh, this is French bread. The only place you can get good French bread is in Louisiana. It's not that other people can't cook it. It's got a lot to do with the humidity, and that's the reason. Now we're gonna take and cut this in half. If this is middle of the week or sometime and you want something quick and fast, this is what you do right here. And it makes a good meal. And if I can ever get it cut in half, we got something right here for grown-ups and for kids. We'll get a little oil. Watch this. Now this is the way I like to do it. I like to put mine in on the spoon and kind of drizzle it on like that. All right, y'all, we got that hooked up. All right. Oh, we're gonna use this Italian season, and we call it Betty seasoning from Blackstone Betty. Watch this, y'all. Hit it up with some of this. Ooh! Y'all, all we do next is put a little cheese on this, and you're done. Pretty simple. This is for the grown-ups, this one right here. So you can put a little cheese on it, or you can add a little garlic, but our seasoning has garlic in it. What I want to do is hit it again, put a little bit on top, not a lot, but just a little. Put a little color in there. We're ready to go with this, y'all. Now for the kids, I'm gonna show you something easy. You get your pizza sauce right here, get your big jar of it. Spread a little bit of that on. Kids like a lot, so you gotta do a lot for the kids. I like to put my cheese first. You can just use any kind of cheese you like, really. Look at that, ain't that pretty? Yeah, this is what the kids like. I'm a big kid, so I like it too. Pepperonis and stick on there, y'all. All right, and we ain't through yet now. Watch this. Put a little bit of cheese. You don't want a lot, a little bit. Now y'all know what we're fixing to do with it. We go to the oven with it. That's how fast this was. First thing we're gonna do is take this lid off the oven here. I'm probably gonna get my pizza peel, set these on it, and just like that. Y'all, we're gonna just slide this back yonder. Watch this. Oop. Slide another one. All right, y'all, that's it. We're gonna see y'all in a couple minutes and we'll be ready to eat this. Okay, y'all, we're gonna snatch these out of here and see what we got. It doesn't take long, I'm telling you. Not long at all. Ooh, look at there. We're gonna go ahead and turn them to the other way. Turn them around a little bit like this. And I'm telling y'all what, look at the edges of this stuff, y'all. Oh, yeah. Stuck it back up in there. Don't walk away too far, because it don't take long. Did that take long? No, it did not. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at there. We're gonna cut it up and get the kids some. A lot of times we make pure garlic bread. We'll smash up garlic and put it on here. A lot of butter, a little olive oil, a lot of cheese, and you talk about good. Alrighty, y'all, this is something fun, simple, easy to make. Let me cut this up for y'all. Listen to that. You know when you hear that crunch, it's gonna be good. It makes a good little side dish. This one's for the kids here. And you can get the kids to dress theirs up how they want it. And you know, get the kids to participate with you. Okay, we're gonna try this one first. You know how you get the good bread at the restaurant? This is what this is, the good bread. You can make the good bread at home. It's got pepperoni on it, but you can put different kind of meats if you want. Oh my goodness. I don't know if it's just for kids. Big kids could eat it too. Y'all, this seasoning's so good.
Tonight,